Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nisha, walking in divine purpose. Welcome. How are you doing today? So as you see the title, does God love the gay, the murderers, the thief, you name it, all those who are wicked, as you will say. Now let's go into the word and hear what the word has to say. We're going to look at Romans chapter 5 verse 8. But God commanded his love toward us, in that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. Christ loves you. Christ loves us. St. John 3 verse 16 said, For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. God loves everyone. Sin is what he hates. Have a great day.